Hi guys. So I made this temple couple of years ago, and right now I'm just trying to upgrade it. By upgrading, I mean I wanna increase the height a little bit and do a bunch of other things. And I thought I'll take this opportunity to explain how I made this temple with all the things easily available on mostly Home Depot and few things from Amazon. So of course, there were few temples available online, but they first of all looked costly, and some of them were pretty small. And I wanted something which kind of fits into a corner very well, and I can utilize the space uh, nicely. So uh, of course, yeah. So this is how you start. You measure your space, and then get two pieces of hardwood or plywood. So this is just like an MDF. So I got two equal pieces, and it's I think 22-inch by 22-inch. That's number one. And this piece is chair molding or chair rail molding. Very easily available on a Home Depot on bunch of in bunch of shapes and sizes basically. So other than that, so then what you have here is table legs. So they are called table legs or end table legs or sofa legs. Again, I'm gonna share links to all the products so it's easy to find for you. So they also come in bunch of shapes and sizes. So what I did is that to make it very easy, I bought two different pieces. Sorry, this longer piece and then a matching shorter piece. And then I'm gonna put another plywood on the top, and then on the top of that I'm gonna put another piece. So that way it's very easy to fit into each other. To show you an example, I took one piece out of the four one that I am using for the extension. So this is how they come. So each table leg is gonna come with one bolt already built in, and in this case I'm just using a hanger bolt to fit that on top of this guy. But this is an additional bolt I have put, and it already comes with this bolt. So basically what you do is you have this in my case I have this bolt at the bottom. So from the top I use some screw to fit the bottom piece from the top, and then this piece had the bolt on the bottoms. So it's really all really screwed into each other very easily. So I'm gonna finish that portion, and then I'm gonna install a top and then come back to you. Okay, so this is our top. Of course, very easy because we got the same piece cut out as bottom. So again, this portion is again that chair rail molding, the same thing that we use, and I use the same thing at the left and right side. And once you go into Home Depot, into that section where you have trim molding, chair molding and all that, you have all these several decorative pieces available there. I forgot what was the name of this exact piece, but it kind of nicely fits into the temple theme. And also there are a bunch of different pieces available there that you can use to decorate. So once you fit the top, that's how it's gonna look like. Of course, this white thing I'm gonna paint it with the same color. So that was my main purpose, to increase the height. So now I'm gonna show you what I did for this portion to create a dome. Okay, so this is my dome portion. So basically what I did is that I made this bottom box. Again, four pieces of wood joined together, and then this is also a decorative piece available in the same section. I forgot the name of this piece. One interesting thing is that anything about this is a corner piece of the crown molding, or also called crown molding connector. So I bought four of these and glued them together, and of course sanded them properly. I still not completely finished. So 4 pieces joined together, completely made from here to here without any joint. So the shape, all the shape already came in that corner. So that's the best part. Only this strip I glued from the top. So let's see how it looks. Okay, it's kind of taking shape. Okay guys, then I bought some smaller sofa legs. Again, same thing. So the table leg, table corner leg, sofa legs. Again, I'll share the link. And I got this piece in the same section, but I think this is called finial. And then I installed these 2 pieces in the front, and at the back I installed them on the top of each other. So I'll go ahead, install, and again show you the results. Slowly but surely taking shape. So after installing those finial and finial on top of the table leg, it kind of starting to look like a complete temple. So after that, we are doing some more decorations, and the main thing that we are using for the top decoration are called onlays. So we have painted them, and for now I'm uh, just gonna put them there. I still have to glue them just to give you an idea. So these are called onlays. So we are gonna put 3 or 4 to 4 sides, so you can just do 3. And then on the top, again we got these onlays which should look like flower, using yellow, vermilion and orange paint to go with the temple theme. So yeah, I think that's going to be all. And after that we will be using some cabinet light, and we definitely want to put some curtains. For curtain, I got some tension rods, which is like small enough for the temple, and I'm gonna install them inside, install curtain, put some light, and then really gonna show you the final product. So guys, this is the final product. Almost finished, mostly finished. Of course, I did a lot of spackling, sanding, painting, finishing, but yeah, everybody know how to do that. Yeah, so as you can see, it's kind of utilizing the corner very nicely, maximum utilization of space. And one very important thing is lighting. So I use this to like 20 feet lighting strip, 3 rows here, and then I made a hole, and that same thing continued on the top. Yeah, so on the top, one important thing to note is that this tape, the the light on the top was becoming too bright as compared to the bottom part. So I use that tape to reduce and diffuse the light. So from a distance, it kind of looks same. And as you can see, light is very important, because without the light, the dome is not really highlighted that nicely. But with the light, the whole thing comes to life very nicely. And then I bought a light where you can set the warmth and cool. You can make it warm and cool as per your liking. So yeah, guys, hope you like it, and you can also make it very easily by this simple design and all the link provided. Thanks for watching.